If your pasta never turns out like it does at a restaurant, it's not the ingredients' fault. It's this one step that almost everyone gets wrong. And you probably do it too. Everyone thinks the secret to great pasta is using better ingredients, more expensive parmesan, artisanal pasta, top-notch oil. But actually, you can have perfect ingredients. Yet if you mess up this one thing, your pasta will never turn out right. The mistake almost everyone makes is this. They drain the pasta, turn off the heat, and then add the sauce or cheese. At that point, the pasta is already out of the game. It won't absorb anything anymore, it won't bind, and the result is always the same, dry or sticky pasta. When you do that, three things happen. The temperature drops too fast, the starch can't bind, and the sauce stays separate. That's why at home you always see the sauce on one side and the pasta on the other. The pasta should always finish cooking in the sauce, always. The cheese should be added off the heat, but while the pan is still hot. And the cooking water shouldn't be thrown away. It's used to create the emulsion that binds everything together. There's a detail few people use. A tablespoon of cold pasta water added at the end. This sets the cheese, prevents lumps, and makes the pasta creamy without cream. If you weren't doing this step, now you know why your pasta never turned out the way you wanted. Let me know in the comments if you were making this mistake too, and tell me if you want more practical videos like this.